Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be showing you how to log into your Fifth Third mortgage account online. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. The first thing to do is to open a preferred web browser. Now go to the URL box and type in 53.com and search. Once you do that, you will end up in the official website for Fifth Third Bank, from where you will need to click on the login button at the top right corner in order to access to the sign-in page. Now, in the pop-up, make sure to select the online banking option from the top drop down and type in your user ID and your password in the text boxes. If you don't remember your password or your user ID, click on Forgot Login and follow the instructions. After filling in the details, click on Login and you will then be able to sign into your Fifth Third online banking account, from where you can select the mortgage option to access your mortgage account. So that's how easy it is. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.